Hello. In this video, I will demonstrate how to install the Matlab campus-wide licenses at your desktop or laptop. So for that, you have to go to the MathWorks. Just go to this MathWorks. Then you have to put your email ID here. You have to register on MathWorks. So once you register here, you will get either 30 days trial license, and if your university or institute has purchased campus-wide licenses, so that will be available at your account MathWorks. So here you can just register your email ID. So my email ID is already registered, so I will use another email ID here. So make sure that you are registering your institute email with your institute email ID. So once you put it here, you have to give the information here, India location. So you can use whatever your role, you can use it here. Yes, and then create. You need to go to the create. So once you fill the information, you will get one email through MathWorks that you need to approve at your end. So here you have to verify that email. And then you have to put your name, fill the information. You can create a password over here. To enter the department. Just accept that and create. So once you enter into this one, you can log in from here. My account, you can sign out from here also. And then you will find one license copy here, licenses with a number, and this is an academic purpose. So Matlab individual license is here with your account. Then you have to click it on download option here. So you will get one tab over there to download for Windows. So there are two options. You can download for Mac OS and Linux OS also. So make sure that the download for Windows you have to click, and you can remember this with the size that 197 MB size is there. So if you have a Windows license, then you can just click it on that, and you can say as a save file. So it will start downloading of this MATLAB software. So it will take some time. So hardly 2 minutes, 3 minutes required as per your internet speed. So once it is downloaded, you have to open that connecting folder of this. So probably it is in zip, so you just extract it. So I will extract this one. It required some time to extract. Okay, so once it is extracted, you will get one setup file over there. So you just have to run as an administrator. Say yes on your computer. So again, you have to put here your email ID, whatever you have registered with. Here it will ask you a password. Same password you have to enter. Once it matches, you can enter into this one. So here accept that the terms and conditions agreement and next. So the same license it will be entered, not required to put the activation key because it is a campus wide license. So go to this one. Username you can put then it will create the location into the drive. Okay, so very important thing is that the products with Matlab, there are many products in the Matlab and many toolboxes are here, but you can install whatever you require. So basically the Matlab programming you can start with Matlab and Simulink. Matlab Simulink you can start with this one Simulink. So these are the some basic Matlab and Matlab programming and Matlab Simulink is here. Apart from that, for automobile engineering, there are many toolboxes are available. So for example, here vehicle dynamic block set here. So that you can include, and then other like for optimization, there is a different tool, block set. So according to your use, you have to choose the block sets. You can see optimization toolbox is there. You can click on that. Simscape is there. So you can choose whatever the block sets or tools required. Make sure that do not choose this one all, because if you select all, it will take space from your drive. So try to avoid that, and wherever whenever you require any particular toolbox or block set, so that you can add into that one at that time. So the basic requirements are here Matlab and Simulink, And apart from that, any one or two you can choose here as per your requirement. So go to the next. So I will just choose the one dynamics, vehicle dynamic block set here, and next. You have to add the shortcut on desktop. Go to the next, and once it is finalize all the block sets, so you will get here how many space is required. So almost 10.01 GB required. Out of 105 products, we have selected only 3. So if I choose all products, means all block sets, so the count or the number will be increased here for the memory. So try to avoid all selection. Choose only one or two, or maybe in case required 1, 3, 4 you can choose, and you can start the begin install. So that will be started to install at your computer. So already I have installed, so I will not start the begin install. So it will take hardly 1 hour or maybe 30 minutes as per your the machine or laptop or computer specifications. So you can install it and you can use for your academic purpose. So thank you very much.